Have you ever wondered how a single moment, a mere 5 seconds, could change your entire destiny? What if I told you that one man made a decision in just 5 seconds, and that choice made him a billionaire? What would you have done in his place? Would you have taken the leap, or hesitated and lost everything? Welcome to Epic English Stories, where you learn English through powerful, life-changing stories that inspire and educate. Listening to stories like this will not only improve your English but also shape your mindset for success. So, if you want to grow in language and life, hit that subscribe button now. It was 1995. A young man sat nervously in a tiny coffee shop in Silicon Valley. He had just 5 seconds to make the biggest decision of his life. His name? Jeff Bezos. At that time, Bezos had a comfortable, high-paying job on Wall Street. But he had a wild idea, a crazy vision that seemed almost impossible. He wanted to sell books on the internet. Sounds simple now, right? But back then, the internet was new, and no one believed it could be a marketplace. Bezos had spent months thinking about it. He saw the future, but fear gripped him. Leaving a stable career to chase an uncertain dream? That was insane. And then, in that coffee shop, he asked himself a single question. If I don't do this, will I regret it when I'm 80? That was it. That question changed everything. He realized that fear of failure was temporary, but regret would last forever. In just 5 seconds, he made his decision. He quit his job and started working on what would become Amazon. The beginning was rough. His company started in a garage. He had no investors, no office, and no certainty that it would work. Friends told him he was making a mistake. His parents thought he had lost his mind. But Jeff didn't stop. Day after day, he worked tirelessly. He learned, adapted, and failed forward. Orders were slow at first, but he kept pushing. Then, one day, the sales exploded. His simple idea, to sell books online, became the foundation of the biggest online marketplace in the world. And today, Amazon is worth over $1.5 trillion. Now, ask yourself, how many times have you had a big idea but hesitated? Have you ever let fear stop you from taking action? Imagine if Jeff Bezos had ignored that 5-second decision. Imagine if he had waited, doubted, or chosen comfort over risk. What about you? Are you waiting for the perfect moment? Or will you take action today? The lesson is simple but powerful: small moments create massive success. You don't need to see the entire path, just take the first step. If you want to start a business, begin today. If you want to learn English, practice now. If you want to change your life, decide this moment. And remember this quote. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. At Epic English Stories, we believe that stories are not just entertainment, they are powerful lessons that shape your life and improve your English. The more you listen, the more you learn. So, if you found this story inspiring, subscribe now for more powerful stories that will help you grow in both English and success. And tell us in the comments, what is your biggest motivation in life? Let's inspire each other. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, the next 5 seconds could change your life forever.